Now, my most important topic is golden ratio. It is a subject of contemporary architecture model 5 and very important topic. I am Moharoy and the lecturer of architecture department. Now, I am going to discuss about the golden ratio, which is discovered by the Le Corbusier. Le Corbusier born on October 6, 1887 in the town of Switzerland. And he is the greatest architect of 20th century, and he was one of the pioneer of what it is now regarded the modern architecture. 1943 also saw the Le Corbusier similar interdisciplinary approach to developing the modular structure, which is a system of a quality based and the male figure, which is golden mean, used to determine the proportion of unit in the architecture and technology. He was the first trained as the engineer versus the goldsmith, but the form of 1904 and pursued his study in the architecture. Understanding of a modular design. Why we call this is the modular design? The modular design or modularity in design is the design principle subdivided a system into the smaller part called the modules, which can be independently created, modified and replaced or the exchanged with other modules or the different between the different system. Modular design resists the obstacleness and the shortness, the redesign cycle. A new generation product can reuse most of the old module, and change is provided by a few improved modules. Approach of modular design. During 1943 to 1955, Corbusier developed a modular design. The system was basically divided three aspects: one, human measurement, the Fibonacci numbers, and the golden rules. Human measurement. Le Corbusier created a modular following the steps of the Vitruvius Leonardo da Vinci man to discover the mathematical proportion in a human body and then use the knowledge to improve the architecture. It is based the two tools mathematics. Subtectal effect of the golden ratio is functional level to the human body. First modular was 1.75 meter tall and second from 1955 was 1.829 meter. These measurements are based on the principle of the Fibonacci number, according to which the sum of two values determine the sequence values. The red row standing from the 6 English feet 1.83 meter in body size and produces the series of measurement by the extending the basic size in the approximate ratio of the golden. The golden ratio, also known as the golden section, golden mean, divine proportion, also the Greek letter phi, and golden ratio is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. This ratio itself comes from the Fibonacci sequence, a naturally occurring the sequence of number that can be found anywhere from the number leaves on the tree of the shape of the seashell. The mathematics two quantities are the golden ratio if the ratio are the same as the ratio of their sum of the larger of two quantity. Thank you.